Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best JVC car radio on the market, the JVC KW-SX88BT. If you're looking to upgrade your car stereo with top-notch features and exceptional sound quality, this digital media receiver might just be what you need. The JVC KW-SX88BT is a 2DIN digital media receiver that brings a host of modern features packed into a sleek and compact design. It boasts a shallow chassis, making installation easier and more versatile for a wide range of vehicles. The design is smart and functional, offering a detachable face for security and convenience. One of the standout features of this stereo is its built-in Bluetooth connectivity. You can stream audio effortlessly and enjoy hands-free calling, thanks to the included microphone. It's designed to connect two phones simultaneously, so whether you're switching between work and personal lines or sharing your stereo with a passenger, it handles both with ease. The JVC KW-SX88BT also supports Bluetooth audio streaming, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music apps and playlists without fumbling for wires. When it comes to sound, this JVC radio doesn't disappoint. It delivers a powerful 50 watts per channel through its built-in amplifier, which means clear, rich sound even at higher volumes. Plus, it features advanced audio enhancements like a 13-band equalizer and digital time alignment. The time alignment function digitally delays the sound from the closest speakers, so the music reaches your ears simultaneously, creating a more immersive and balanced listening experience. On top of that, JVC's proprietary K2 technology works to improve the quality of your digital music files, adding clarity and depth. There's also a sound lift feature to raise the perceived sound position for a more natural audio effect. Customization is another area where the KW-SX88BT shines. It comes with two-zone variable color illumination, allowing you to match the display colors to your car's interior or your mood. This means you can personalize your driving environment to make it uniquely yours. The front USB port supports a 1.5 amp charging current, so you can quickly charge your smartphone or other devices while on the go. There's also a convenient front auxiliary input for connecting non-Bluetooth devices. Control is seamless with the included JVC Remote app, compatible with both iOS and Android devices. This app lets you manage the stereo's functions with simple finger gestures, so you can keep your focus on the road while enjoying full control over your music and settings. The receiver plays various media formats, including MP3, WMA, WAV, and AAC, making it compatible with most digital music libraries. Additionally, it has two-channel preamp outputs for rear and subwoofer connections, giving you flexibility to expand your sound system if you want more bass or surround sound. In terms of tuning, the KW-SX88BT includes an AM/FM radio with easy-to-navigate controls and a clear LCD display. It even supports Spanish text display for users who prefer that option. The dimensions are 7 inches wide by just under 4 inches tall and deep, making it a compact unit that won't overwhelm your dashboard space. Weighing only around 2.4 pounds, it's lightweight but robust. Finally, JVC backs this stereo with a 1-year warranty, ensuring you have support should you encounter any issues. In summary, the JVC KW-SX88BT is an excellent blend of performance, customization, and connectivity. Whether you want crystal clear sound, the convenience of Bluetooth, or the flexibility of USB and aux inputs, this receiver has it all. Its sleek design and advanced features make it a perfect OEM replacement and a solid upgrade for your vehicle's audio system. If you're ready to enhance your driving experience with one of the best JVC car radios available, the KW-SX88BT is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.